Memamuni Akwaba Eba Melodies Podcast YouTube channel. So I think the last time I reported on Asampon Hene, the latest ewo new no, I think it was just 2 days ago. Na memamoti asiye the air koso ewo court. Efa the prime suspect Sadat and the koso. Answer never to us on subscribe and click the notification bell no. And no any that screen so see we understand latest news be about wonsa ebeka. It's here for straight yanko in semnimu. Na senior na American the last time I report say on this no memamoti asiye says Sadat Sadat na friend Alaji Sadat Mohammed no police for Mayati as first na wo cooperative but sisia no ne lawyer ebemu no sisia won cooperative biom eyade a won cooperative na ne lawyer at the assembly court na nka court and granting a bail ema prosecution no police for ema court tia say abranti and senior were very influential no granting a bail he will influence the matter and into court penny say Mayan granting a bill. And I think that was the latest I made the Abraham say the lawyer Adrian say within this month and now say latest by next month almost also the assembly ever try say almost also echo pay bill and master that no. Now the latest and they say okay still on that story no the latest they say the relatives of Asampon Hene womo court eko bo omuko bodia na lawyer na wo di asem a womo susu se lawyers a womo di asem a womo beye ama Sadat no se bi wenya ne 3 edidim no sa lawyers ni na ye bodia ema ebi eka womo Sadat na ngasa ye bo ne dia na trese Asampon Hene ne nkrofo ne fiefo ana ne busuanfo ene court a womo ekodi sa adwuma no because womo de womo ka se akoye se court ne de enumde de owo enumde no enobe wini case no omu de womu nim se womu wo nsuo ana womu wo bosom bia wo bedi womu asem amomo nti womu ko bodia e wo court na still on Asampon Hene no the latest abasisi and say the burial date senia wa wehu e wo screen so no yes the burial date ababonten that say da ye besie no anada ye bekwa kopen ne creche no kra no ababonten ena bebia yebeye sa burial no nso ababonten a wa wonim se otumfo ne dehye pa ene ohene bakojo afodo a ye frɛ no sa ne dia nkasa no a we otumfo Asampon Hene na he was 46 years extremely young 50 camp wendi eye bi moka say life begins at 40 na tell say ohwe na brabo na what shall say will do the 6 years ni because you say life begins at 40 there not just say with the 46 and not just say we share life as you know 6 years ni that's just by the way but it's here for a hosem aba wa we hu laying in state you be the dot ye on Sunday 10th and a Monday 11th of November not just next month 2019 2019 eho ena yebeye le doti ye no ya rehosem na wo mo beye ewo ne palace ati ase crofom bebia na yesusu se wotina ahengwemu eho ene yebeye wo na wonim ho a near Pollux Hotel be your friend of Pollux Hotel. I will crew from 19 would do Obehuno and I'll be who say ye BBC Sunday 10th and Monday 11th. Na etie for a host and wait there. I dear and I thought Asantemani. I dear not Asantemani. Now, we should the air bank of Obebre air cassa afa assembly home. A bit more air travel margin, a bit more so air boss at that, dear, Womugu air boss at that, dear. Now, will be a friend of Heneba Naya or Poku, or say may he so rest in peace. That to say, Nekra and that ding into what may he so rest in peace, may he so rest in peace and never. Obi so say, Sadat, RIP, na Ayarahosem. Ayarahosem, Mamidu Fianso say, Obi so say, hey, Ohene die, or say, ow, Ohene die, and also near Sema will be Ediaba. Obi so say, please, can someone give me the updates of the police investigation? It's more about bisa updates on the police investigation. No, and no, and I made the air musician says still the investigation is going on. Police for incomplete here. Intiana Sabi Sadat no, one more cause one more granting the bail. Lawyer and the Rebecca said judge no ampene because police for no one more lawyer and my judge neti say case no ye investigation in we Inti wujaya branch no emma no kwa and now man the bail. Or you're very influential, or you'll be uncle no, or you'll be our Oscar. Or bet to me influence investigation no. Until yesterday, a branch and a man found into police custody. Now you are not to police custody. There is no way say be able to me influence investigation no. Into that was the main reason judge no or say okay, Sadat no, yeah man the bill. Because you see Ghana the first your chi will be say we kun obi a non-bailable offense. First no na Ghana sana neti. Se be yesusu se will be kokun obi a any kwan say will be bail nipa kono to mean bail suspect no. But I think last year was this year and a ruling be by na Ghana so there ruling by ebedane law ebedane mbra. Into ruling by na sisia ebeye say okay Ghana sisia there asem bi ebesi bia no ye betumi bail. Whether it's murder case or what, ye betumi bail. Intiana Sadat no the lawyer at the court say na nkomo ko pay bail no. Inti no police for inti will be the latest on the investigation no and no police for incomplete investigations no. Intia ena wo mo court take as a branch the man the bail no. But first now a branch no police custody. What is still or police for kukumba and there we will prison and kasa because police for air can say he's not cooperating with them. First no now we cooperating but say no he's not cooperating into police for no ama say be ye na go to prison. Into no and no and then some so why will be said the latest on the investigation or that's what is going on. Obisu be say okay. Where Asema will be air can was saying Nana may your soul rest in peace and may Lord multiply the punishment of anyone who touched this innocent blood. And only Asema will be air can say nekra enda ye na only crab would di se bisa nyambran semweno nyankopon emma no eye aketia no mboho nti ano so ni Asema will be ede aba. It's here for Montreal adwen our comment box ni mu. Montreal adwen me my only fear is say this matter doesn't become a foolish case. Because okay, let me say this. Ghana has a one. Ebimo eyo almost say case we ebia ye call quarter na say ye di asem na say no munti asem ni yo ebimu adwen no ebimu nsusu ye no say asem we dey ye call quarter enche bia but o hwe case na a murder case it can take as long as 5 years, it can take as long as 6 years, it can take as long as even 10 years because sabe say yesi will be ekumobia ebetumi abase court ebehye se nipa kono so yenkoku no ebetumi abase court behye se nipa kono so sebe yemfa no enkoto infiase for the rest of their life, not as a life imprisonment. Inti enya asema ye court asebe ye de 1 day per ekodi inti mo amusu se asem de Sadat yenchini ntum ede no mo ye yenchini ntum no. I'm sorry to disappoint you. This matter can go on for as long as 5 years. Misusu say nkofo bebekra ewe befi. Na samo ba kai ananse ya me the story bi bra mo say a branch bi ye na do say na wokokum eye John Dramani Mahama embra na John Dramani Mahama wo ye president. Sa time ne ye chi a branch ni tu mu. Na ende over 5 years a branch ne ye na do no po no wo ye na do say wokokum president no. Over 5 years afiance a branch ni ruling na ba ye de no air prison for 10 good years. It's the same way the murder case there. It's here for. But more than Montreal adwen our comment box ni mu. But just don't raise your expectations. Say ruling beba sisi a mesremo.